eh? You keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an awful.
In our culture, I cannot kiss in front of my mother-in-law. So can we pass that stage?
No, we got a solution for that. Could the ushers escort the mother-in-law to the pastor's office? Because in our culture, we want to make sure you start practicing so later we grow better. So 1, 2, 3. Now this is your man, and she is your woman. Let's behave when we marry.
Good morning, guys. Another weekend, another wedding. Seems like all my friends are getting married. What's up, what's up? This is Rico.
Samantha, I just want to say I'm so proud of you and the bride you've become today. I want you to enjoy marriage, and my word of advice, I would just say, take each day as it comes and be lighthearted, and you chose a good one. You get my stamp of approval for Umto, so just enjoy this time with him, and God bless you both.
Sammy, I just want to say I'm so happy to be here on this day and celebrate this wonderful occasion with you. Emto seems like a great guy, and I can't wait to see you have many, many babies together.
Woo! Team Bride!
I'm just gonna wish you guys a very happy life. Thank you for choosing me to be in your team, and I look forward to be a good auntie to your babies. If y'all have babies, I will be your babysitter.
Awesome choice in choosing a husband. He seems like an awesome guy for you, and I pray to God that your union today will be for the rest of your lives. I'm waiting to be an auntie.
October the 6th, 2019. Samantha and Emto.
Tumto, baby, I love you, and I'm looking forward to spending my life with you. I'll see you in about an hour, and yes, that's good.
I'm melting.
Thank you guys for celebrating with me, for your love, your support. You guys look beautiful, and I can't wait to walk down the aisle and see you all in front of me.
Amazing sound.
Sammy, I'm here waiting for you. The day that we chose has finally come, and I believe that the Lord has blessed us with this day. It will be a blessing from today until eternity. I love you, dear.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Oh, won't you tell me how you feel? You keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing I could.
Remember I said you need to ask how you want it, how often you want it, and how intense you need it to be. Yeah. shy people.
Yeah, preacher, yeah.
You may kiss your wife. You may kiss your husband.
Go ahead, sir, go ahead.
In our culture, I cannot kiss her in front of my mother-in-law. So can we pass that stage?
Oh, no, we got a solution for that. Could the ushers escort the mother-in-law to the pastor's office? Because in our culture, we want to make sure you start practicing so later we grow better. So where's my mother-in-law? When I get to 3, you close your eyes.
Yeah. Don't peep.
And everybody else will stay silent so she don't know what happened. Alright, so here we go.
Yeah.
You gotta remove the veil. Just saying, alright. Now just roll it by. I don't want to take it all off. I don't want to start taking off things now, later. But, 1.
Take your time.
But take your time and finish quickly. 1, 2, 3. That was before we signed this. Now this is your man, and she is your woman. Let's behave when we marry.
I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at you, feel it so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you're smiling, I'll be your
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!